Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how does Venmo work to receive money. So this is just like any type of apps that actually send and receive money. So Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, and Payoneer, those are just the same ones. This is just another one that is located specifically in the US. So here, your money, your way, Venmo. So basically here, Venmo is a way to manage money, get paid early, and customize private settings. So here you don't have hidden fees unlike others. So there's $0 to sign up, $0 to send money, and $0 in monthly fees. So you want to split two groups and payments in one app. You can do that. So here you'll have to tap and create a group on Me tab and get invited to the app. Basically, you will add expenses as they occur and adjust each member's share. So this is just by sending your profile to somebody so that they will be able to receive, and it's just that simple. So you'll be able to tap a request when it's time to share up. So you will be able to take care of the math so everyone pays exactly what's due. So here you can do more with Venmo even. You can pay in apps, online, shop local, even have your own debit card where it's MasterCard and it's in the US. So you can Venmo like a pro. So basically, you'll just have to send your profile to someone so that you'll be able to receive a payment and you can send them or request even. So it's just that simple. So you can get Venmo here. You can sign up and get a personal or even a teen or even a business Venmo. So there you go guys, that is how Venmo works to receive money. It's just that simple. Just give your profile to them and you'll be able to send them your money or vice versa. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.